got the official figure. 6.5 inches. 6.5 inches in the air. Well, let's just there's non-stop action here. The way they choreograph this whole thing. And we'll start with the fat tires. As Red Bull, the Red Bull Air Force, takes to the sky and very close to the ground in an unforgettable flying demonstration aerobatically in an airplane that takes very little room to get stopped and to take off, up and down, and round and round, completely and utterly entertaining. Oh, that's awesome.
Yes.
Look at how tight it turns.
Yeah. Sorry, he was. I heard it. I was like, yeah.
They are. Talk about being at one with your airplane. This has become a thing. Recently, this fat tire backcountry flying and competitions now around the world, and mostly in North America, I have to say, of these short takeoff and landing demonstrations. So nobody leaves. Look at Kirby right now coming round and round and round, and begins very shortly. He's going to join up with Aaron. They're going to fly aerobatics together. That's right. Aaron's going to fly aerobatics.
The side. The last side of all the moves.
Now watch Aaron as he climbs this. Up, up, up. And right about now, as he turns back, pulls back. And as Luke Aikens described this as almost phenomenal. The feeling is when you're in a helicopter when that happens, there's a whole lot of things going wrong. And yet he's got to.
That's pretty quick.
Let's see. without falling, gets it turned
Yeah,
around,
I've seen views of
and he's going to do that again. So now look at it. Actually flipping a helicopter forward.
But they probably notify like the airport or something. Like this is probably like a no-fly zone.
So that's why we
will
can't
be
come out.
one of the camera platforms and also do
But
some
you're flying.
flying.
We're going to synchronize that.
Oh my god.
And now keep your eye on the helicopter. He's going to chase you down. Tighten it up. And you're not seeing things, folks. He was upside down and around in the Red Bull helicopter. You're not. Watch here and now as Kirby has left the stage to this incredible helicopter. Rigid titanium rotor system allows it to roll.
And he's actually still jump rated as well as his socks.
And over it goes. Listen to that. Is the wing rotates. So get your hands in the air and give him a wave. He's going to be looking as he approaches us. Once he spirals around again, he's going to look right at us. And if he sees you all waving, he's going to give you a nice bow. The tip of the helicopter, if you will, is looking right at you. Get your hands in the air. Aaron Fitzgerald, the Red Bull helicopter. Now look up above. Slow back on. And down comes our fat tire. Oh no! How much fun is he having up there right now? And again, he's got the ability to be able to at least open the doors so that he can feel some of that air. Graceful. Sure is. So he's going to show us some soul capability. When he recovers, it'll be pretty impressive. He doesn't need an automatic ball. These competitions are like a dagger that goes down. I can't even look
I
at
think they must be Red Bull.
it. So low to the ground.
Yeah, they're just like GoPro. Like, they're just like
Fighters are slow. And those Tundra tires are fat tires, right? Landing in the streams in the backcountries where there's no runway. Still in Alaska, sometimes they're much bigger than that. And they get low to the ground.
I know they do something in Minnesota.
Gotta stay
It's like ice skating down.
Yeah, it is.
Now, just getting right close to the stall. So that angle of attack, you can only do this so long before the airplane stops flying and disconnects and falls. Dancing right on the edge of the stall. And there, he's pushing it over now. That's enough of that.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No way.
So the flaps are
Like,
down,
you're
so
gonna be
I
fine
know what's going to happen here.
I mean, it's not going to be as fancy. We're not going to be
Are you
like,
gonna
Still
be
landing
like,
here
are
with
you gonna be
us?
ballsy like
That's not a
that?
good
when you're
idea.
flying?
No. Put it out on the runway.
okay, I
Watch
gotta
this.
that.
Watch how little. Slow it down. One wheel. You got one wheel down.
I think that's it on accident. That's why I failed my
Yeah, the other wheel.
Are you gonna be able to fly tomorrow?
He's just showing off
I
now.
don't think I'm gonna have to.
And then back into the air. Oh, look at that.
I hate
I see the skill that we're seeing demonstrated here. I think of
Like, if you literally get there with a milestone, I've never
demonstrate similar
I know. What
What is it about the Marines and their thumbs? They can kill you with their thumbs, and they rotate all of that energy that's been played through their thumbs as well.
And if this is just not even going to because that gets him a walk. But he knows all the history. What were you saying, Ricky?
I just can't get over the speed. Whenever I see it this close up, and you have such a great advantage here.
Rising Stars, United States Aerobatic Circuit. Great guy.
Now that slow roll, it is said that if you can do a slow roll well, you can do any aerobatic maneuver. And he cut a straight line like that.
Did, right through the middle.
And then sped it up as he went.
Yeah. What do you think so far, Rob? Your first time?
Oh, I'm a goosebump kind of guy on that. I like it.
One of the things I love about here is the crowd as he is in the air. Really enjoy aerobatics. You've got to hang out tonight in the club, wherever you might run into it. You just got to enjoy this guy's company.
Now he's going to do a torque roll. He's back in the airplane up where all the controls are reversed. Left is right, right is left, forward is back, back is forward. And now watch him. He'll let that nose fall through the horizon. This guy is skillful. Man, I am loving watching this guy fly, Rick.
Well, this is about where it's going to get really funky because after he finishes tumbling the airplane as he is now, he's going to have a conversation with Matt and just getting warmed up. Vicky Benzing is kid versions, yeah. A lot of it. This is the real deal. Story very fast real racing. That's what it's all about. And it's just California Aeronautical University is well represented. It's not a classy design.
Training the next generation pilots. The main campus is an impressive purpose-built flight training facility in Kern County. They also have flight centers in Ventura and San Diego counties and a campus even in Phoenix. And they have teamed up with United Airlines and several regional airlines that offer CAU students.
Oh, yes.
It's going to look great on my slides.
And another Mustang, but we were talking about the Allison engines on the tilt rotor. Everything is different sound. Allison engine, originally designed for Razorback.
What is that again?
Yes. I'm going to share it on
In my dreams, baby.
The bed, the Broncos family, your last name
That's not the one that was flying. That's the one that was flying.
Yeah.
Oh, really? That's the one that's bigger.
Let's watch, ladies and gentlemen.